Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna unbox the Heavy Hitcher from the Hot Wheels Metro series. So this is of course fantasy casting, and I know that many of you don't like to buy fantasies. See, that's fine, that's up to you. But I will definitely suggest you to buy some of the fantasies because some of them are really, really cool, just like this one. And I will show you why. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, let's see. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Let us observe the details. This is of course the 2024 one, and yeah, it looks nice. Here's the front. To be honest, this bumper looks really nice. This of course is metal. This is plastic. All this thing is plastic. It would have been better if they would have given this what to say, this crane thing full made of metal. That would have been better. But anyway, these are main lines, right? We can't expect much. The base is of metal. So if you want to see the details, you can. Yeah, this is how it looks like from the top. Nice, neat casting. And now coming on to why you should get this. You can see this, right? Like it lifts a bit. So there is some kind of, I will say, spring or something which allows you to do it. Like, see, Hot Wheels usually does not have moving parts, right? But this one has, and it is there for a reason. But before we go to that, let's just do a roll test. Okay, it's smooth, right? Anyway, these are Hot Wheels, right? They have anyway the best rolling ever. Tires, of course, are made of plastic as expected. So yeah, nice one. Now let us come to the reason why I bought this casting. See, I will take this car. So this is the Porsche TH 2024 TH. So if you see here, if this pin we have, right, we can put it here underneath. And let me try to get it right. Yeah, see, this is the reason I bought it. There is a spring like thing, you can see, right? There is a suspension kind of thing. So yeah. Oops. Actually it is just a dot, right? So be careful. Yeah, let me change the angle and showcase it, like how it looks from the side. This is how it looks from this side. Beautiful, right? And these Hot Wheels roll so smooth, like beautiful. So yeah, this is the reason like I bought this, right? So again, that is why I will suggest that buy some of the fantasies. They're definitely cool, right? So not all of them are bad. So yeah, and also you may ask like, okay, like how will I identify, right, that which one of them are good, or is there any hint to know that this thing does this? So for that, I will definitely ask you to take a look at the pack closely. Here if you see, like this image, right? So this will give you a hint, right? Like, okay, what this car may do. So definitely, that is the only hint I found from the pack itself. This small picture. So maybe keep a lookout for this thing. Other than that, I don't think there is any indication on how we can check that. Okay, then that's all for this video. Meet you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.